Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Liz and I make lots of different types of videos here on my channel, so make sure you hit that red subscribe button before you leave. But today I wanted to show you guys how I made this headboard right behind me, spending absolutely zero money. I used everything that I could find just around my house and I didn't end up spending anything to make it. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this tufted headboard, just keep on watching. So to make this headboard, I first took these yard signs that Ben and I had left over from his business to advertise, and the information was wrong, so I just flipped them over and used the other side of those. I measured out how many I needed based on my bed size. I have a queen bed, so I ended up using 9 of these yard signs. I then took our old mattress pad. It was a memory foam mattress pad that we no longer used on our bed, and I cut out foam to fit on each of the 9 pieces. Once I did that, I took my foam and cut out a 1-inch little square in the center of the foam. That way I could later on do a tufted design. If you don't want a tufted look, then just skip cutting a little square in the center. Next, I glued my foam to my boards using some fabric glue. You could also use hot glue if you don't have any fabric glue, but that's just what I had laying around, so I used it. Then I measured my fabric for each of my 9 squares, and I actually used our old drapes that we had hanging up in our bedroom. I no longer liked them. I had actually just picked them up right when we moved in because they were the cheapest thing that I could find at Walmart, but you could use whatever fabric you want. So I cut out 9 pieces of fabric that would cover the board and the foam, leaving me enough room on the back to staple it down. Once I had all my fabric pieces, I just began stapling all of the fabric to the boards. I ended up just using a regular household stapler. Since I wasn't stapling through batting or into wood, just the normal stapler ended up working just fine, so that's what I used. And I stapled around, making sure it was all secure on all of the sides. Once I had all of my pieces covered, I brought them upstairs and I took a long nail and hammered each of the 9 panels to the wall right in the center where I had removed some of the foam. That way the nail could go all the way straight through to the wall, and that's how I not only tufted the fabric, but I also secured it to my wall. And this is what we ended up with, and I'm really pleased with it for spending absolutely zero money. I'm really happy with it. It's much better than not having a headboard at all, so I'm really pleased. Make sure to tag me on Instagram if you end up making one yourself. I'll leave my handle down below. Also, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I have a lot more DIY projects and home decorating projects coming up, so be on the lookout for that. I also do a lot of cleaning motivation and all different types of videos, so I'd love to have you be a part of my YouTube family by subscribing to my channel. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching my videos, commenting, and just supporting me in general. I really appreciate it. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.